What's going on YouTube? It's Mr. Crypto Vet coming at you with a video update for Adivah Tech, the PAM with NVFX. Before I get started with this video, I want to remind you guys that I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just a random guy on YouTube. This is solely for education and entertainment purposes only. With that out of the way, let's hop right into the video. There's a lot that's been going on this morning, as you guys may or may not know, depending on how many projects you guys are in. The market has been all over the place within the last week or so. And today I have to give Adivah Tech props because they did something that they said they were going to do. And I can appreciate that and I can admire that. And I'm going to share my screen so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. First of all, I'm going to share the PAM, the actual PAM account for my account in the back office on Envy. And I started with $500 with these guys. Yesterday was their first official trading day, and they're going pretty light. I'll give them that, and I can respect that, especially after everything that's transpired over today. But as you can see here, they've had a couple winners, one break even, and two small losses. So that's not bad. I know they're trying to be super conservative right now. And, this might not seem like a huge gain, but some profit is better than taking a loss or taking a huge loss. And what they said they were going to do, and what I can respect, I'm going to stop sharing this screen, and I'm going to share their actual official Telegram, and go right into this. So this is from this morning at 8:42 Eastern time, or New York time. It says, "Good morning, Adivah fam. Plus 0.14% so far in gains today with 2 wins and 1 loss. The market wicked our stop loss and took us out of 1 trade." I'm going to stop right there because that's huge. So these guys had said before the launch that they were going to implement stop losses on all their trades to protect capital, which clearly here in this message you could see is exactly what happened. It happens, and it's better than holding. Yes, key word, better than holding. We've been extremely conservative due to pending news release this morning, and as you can see right here, there was a 10 o'clock news alert for jobs here in the US. So that would have affected the markets. And that's another thing they said they weren't going to do, is they weren't going to trade based off of news. So that's important to note as well. Once the storm is over, we'll continue to scan the markets to find high probability setups. Patience pays. Let's have a safe week and profitable month. So that's really important because these guys aren't going in super heavy every single day to try and hit it out of the park. I can be totally patient to receive larger percentage days on days where there's a clear movement in the market than to try and hit a home run every single day, because that's just not going to happen. That's not how trading works. If that's how you think trading works, I am sorry to tell you that's not how trading works. Some days we are in what's called consolidation, and consolidation means that you're not going up or down. You're just kind of ranging in the middle, floating along in the whole entire day. Actually, that's what US 30 is doing right now. I'm going to share my screen so you guys can get a visual of exactly what I mean by consolidation and how that works. So I'm going to open up US 30 so you guys can get a good look and share this here. Let's see. Share. All right. So US 30, this is a 1-hour chart. If you caught this move, which I did catch this move this morning, I was super pumped about it. Look at this right here. At 9:30 is when she took off. I'm going to change this over to the minute time frame so you can get a better look. 9:30, right around here. All right, we're going to zoom in so you guys can get a better look. And if you're involved in my other project, the 8-minute trader, Coach Mo did not take a trade this morning, but I elected to get into a buy because it did break the buy zone right around here. And I wrote this thing literally all the way up to about right here. So we caught some major pips this morning. But what I'm getting at by consolidate, so this was a great time to take advantage of the market. And as you can see here, news came right around 10. And usually when news happens, it's either going to go super high in one direction or super low in one direction. So it was weird because ever since right around 10, we've kind of been, this is my next resistance zone, but we've kind of been in this resistance area ever since 10. As you can see, it's come down a little, it's gone up a little, it's come down a little, it's gone up a little, it's come down, gone up, but it's still in the box here, so we don't make any decision. It's come down, come up, but you can see it's not really breaking out in one way or another. If it would have broken and closed above this line right here, I would have taken another buy, but it did not. It stayed in the box and it made its way back down here. So this is what you call a rangy market or consolidation. This is a clear indication of an upward trend, and this is a clear indication of sideways movement right here. So, it's better to stay out of the market during these times, so that way you're not guessing which way it's going to go, up or down. But I just wanted to share so you guys have some perspective. I know a lot of you guys aren't necessarily traders out there or trade on a daily basis, and you kind of just hop into projects to have other people do your trading for you, which is no problem with. You just have to understand how the market works and why Adivah is not necessarily going so heavy on a particular pair because of news events. If there's a clear direction, it makes sense for them to hop in. They don't trade US 30. That's a very volatile indice. That's something that I trade in the morning at 9:30 for the US Open, but that's too volatile of a pair for them. Not a pair, but an instrument for them. So they're more in the forex space and the gold space. And if there is a clear movement in one direction or another, I'm sure, and if the opportunity presents itself, I'm sure that they will hop into a trade. But until then, I'm glad that they're staying out of the market until they feel comfortable. Only time will tell with these guys to see how they're gonna continue to manage our funds, and hopefully they continue in an upward trajectory. They seem very transparent about their trading style, and for now, all we can do is just keep an eye on that Telegram to see what is the rationale behind the decisions that they make, and keep an eye on our daily profits. So, although the profits were low today, it's like I said, some profits better than no profit at all. If you guys want to be a part of this opportunity with Adivah, I'm going to leave my link below. If you're already part of NVFX, you don't have to re-register. NVFX is a broker that probably many of you guys are already a part of. And if you're not, all you have to do is click the link in the description of this video and just simply log in. And then once you create an account and get your KYC done and fund your account, you can go in and register for the Adivah PAM. But you won't be able to do so until your account is actually funded. So aside from that, that's all I have as far as an update on these guys for today. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, comment below. Let me know you guys' feedback. What do you think about today? What's going on in the market? And make sure you hit that bell notification as well to be notified whenever I drop a new video update on my channel. But with that, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I will check you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.